All right, we're gonna go sourcing today, but I wanted to show you this. Welcome to Michigan, April 4, 2022. This is what I gotta deal with. That's a nice basketball hoop, isn't it? Came with the house. So yeah, I'm gonna hit the road. There's the marsh. It's really flooding over there. Looks beautiful with the snow cover on it though, doesn't it? Neighbors got cranes in their pond. They can get pretty loud. So anyway, there's a thrift store that's going out of business. It's kind of sad, but you know, what are you gonna do? 16,000 square feet thrift store. They're advertising online. Starting today, 75% off everything. I've never been to this thrift store before. I didn't even know it existed. So I'm gonna check it out. I'll probably hide the GoPro in the front of my pants. My pants pocket. I did that before in an older video. It works pretty good. I don't want to freak people out. I'll try to get video. I'll try to get video inside the thrift store. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna get, but definitely if I get a haul and get some unicorns, I'll show you that. So gonna jump in the car, gotta go to the post office, then we're gonna go to this thrift store that's going out of business. This is my first time picking a thrift store that's shutting down. Pretty cool, pretty weird, I don't know. And then when we get back, we'll see what I got, so stick around. Well, I can see why they're going out of business. This is the biggest thrift store I've ever been to in my life. Wall to wall, floor to ceiling, nothing but crap. Garbage. Goodwill rejects is what I call it. It was so bad. I did get a few things. I'll show you when I get back to the eBay office. They actually had comic books bagged and boarded in the book section. Can you believe that? So the book section was as big as a bookstore. It was massive. I've never seen so many books in a thrift store before. I went to the sci-fi section, the horror section, the graphic novel section. I found a few things, but they were like, they were chewed up. Like there was a comic that was bagged and boarded and the corner was like chewed by a rat. It was a mess. So I didn't even look these up. They're 50 cents, who cares? So I think I got a book or two and a couple comics. I did look up the comics and they're not anything special, $4 to $8, something like that, I don't know. So for 50 cents, who cares? But the clothing was garbage, the glass was garbage, the media section, thousands of CDs, DVDs, all garbage. VHS, all garbage. Clothing, I looked in men's t-shirts for concert t-shirts or Harley Davidson t-shirt, nothing. So this was a bust. So I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I might hit a different thrift store. I just might get lunch and go home, but we'll see. Qdoba is all about fitness. Fitting this entire burrito bowl in my mouth. All right, let's head home. All right, we're back at the mansion. It's not really a mansion. I think that's what little Debbie calls it. So I wouldn't say it was a bust. It just wasn't a great day today. So I'm going to show you what I got. So this was from the thrift store. There's such a glare. Crap. Comic books. I was really shocked they had comics bagged and boarded at this horrible thrift store, but got these for 50 cents. 50 cents. 50-cent library book. 50-cent comic. So I don't know. $2, not bad. I think Dominic would like this one. And then high bid has been better for me. So I won a high bid auction about 10 miles from the house. So I figured, you know, if I'm out and about, I'll just go pick up my win. So I got this Boy Scout stuff. I think this is called a Garrison cap. Boy Scout kit, whatever you want to call it. This is you know, nail clippers, toothbrushes, I believe. Not sure what that is. And then that's for your scarf slide. I'm gonna research all of this so I know what to call it exactly, give it the right name. So this is high bid right here. I got all of this here, $5. So not bad. Very vintagey, very old. I'll take it for $5. And then this, you know, this is like a graphic book novel type thing. You know, don't be afraid of library books. They do sell. I've sold a lot of graphic. See, this is got the library tags on there. People will still buy it. Comics aren't bad. They had one comic where the corner here was all gnawed and chewed up like like a rat ate it. So I left that behind. But so that's the haul, guys. Nothing to write home about. This is not a Harry Humstone haul. This is a Midwest Picker haul. Kind of sad this time. Now, last time I did a haul video, I got that model kit, 1985. Still sealed brand new in the package. That sold for $90. That was a bang bang good haul. This, not so much. So that's it, guys. Any words from Max? Yeah, he's about as bored as I am. So that's it. We got a new refrigerator being delivered tonight. Ours died. Have you ever priced a refrigerator lately? Don't do it, because you're gonna have a heart attack. Extremely expensive, but we've been without a refrigerator for a week. Our food has been in the garage trying to stay cold in coolers with ice. You don't know how much you miss something until you don't have it. So that's being delivered, and I am stoked about that. So that's a win. So if you like the video, guys, give it a thumbs up. I promise future videos will be much more exciting than this. This one's kind of I give this one a B-. So stick around, come back next time. See ya.